In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the array formula with VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Using these powerful functions together can help you streamline your work by performing complex data lookups with ease. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you can confidently apply these techniques in your own spreadsheets. First, let's start by opening your Google Sheet. If you haven't done so already, log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets. You can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, whichever suits your needs for this exercise. Once you're in your Google Sheet, we'll begin by identifying the cell where we want to input our formula. Next, click on cell G1. This will be the location where we place our combined array formula with VLOOKUP function. It's important to select the correct cell because the result of this function will populate here, and depending on your data layout, you'll want to ensure it doesn't overwrite any existing data. Now, the key step is entering our formula. In cell G1, type in X array formula if error VLOOKUP FF A3D2 false. This formula might look intimidating at first, but let's break it down for clarity. The array formula function allows you to apply a function, such as VLOOKUP, to an entire array or range without having to manually drag the formula down every row, a major time saver. Within this formula, we have the if error function, which is there to handle any potential errors that might occur during the VLOOKUP process. In this context, it helps ensure that if the VLOOKUP fails to find a match, the cell doesn't return an error, but rather a blank cell or a value you specify. The VLOOKUP function itself is looking for values from column F within the range A3D. Essentially, it will look across the entire column F, and when it finds a match in column A, it will return the corresponding value from column B. The 2 in our formula is telling VLOOKUP to return a value from the second column of our specified range. Lastly, the false argument signifies that an exact match is required. VLOOKUP will only pull over data if it finds a perfect match. After you've carefully entered the formula, simply press the Enter key. As you do, you should see Google Sheets automatically fill the relevant data dynamically by searching and retrieving corresponding values from across your spreadsheet as specified in your VLOOKUP function. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an array formula with VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. This efficient method ensures that your data updates and expands without the need for constant manual input, saving you both time and effort in managing your spreadsheets.